Lakeside Service, we're your one-stop shop for all of your tractor needs. From antiques to modern-day tractors, Lakeside Service is here to help you. At Lakeside, we offer a full line of new parts and accessories for all tractors. We ship nationwide on a daily basis. We stock many hard-to-find antique tractor parts for John Deere, Farmall, Case, and many more, so please feel free to call us with that special need. Over 2 generations and more than 23 years, Lakeside Service has been helping our customers with maintenance and repairs on modern-day tractors and antiques. And when it comes to antiques, we don't do just maintenance and repairs. Our specialty is show-quality restorations. At Lakeside, we always have a large selection of antique tractors for sale. And if you need help selling your antique, we have a consignment program. Give us a call anytime and we can help get your antique sold. Lakeside Service, located at 325 South Main Street in beautiful Elmer, New Jersey. Call us anytime for your tractor needs at 856-358-2444.